Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today. And that is for Berluti slippers. Here's the box. It says they're Berluti Commerce. Looks like their phone number and where we're shipped from in New York, and then my name. Okay, there's another like welcome package thing. 1895 Berluti Paris. Berluti.com. So another thank you note. And an invoice. Okay, so it's the Couture Demesure leather loafer. Try to pronounce it the best I could. I think that was right. It was $2,677.50. That's with tax. I think they gave me a shipping label if I wanted to return them, and I think okay, just instructions on how to return it if I wanted to. So here's the box, just like the others. It's the white box or slip cover with the like greenish container. Okay, with the bags. And I can tell you right now, the bags are different from what I've had before, because my green bags for my other brown shoes don't actually say Berluti on them. Okay, here you go. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at the detail there. So I believe the color is called TDM Intenso. Basically brown with some patina. Leather sole. 1895 Berluti Paris. Looks like there was a sticker there or something. Here's the back. I'll get the other one. Here's the right shoe. Like little angles right there. There's another part. Looks like there was a sticker on it. Okay, look at the shoe tree. Looks like it's black. Yeah. They usually match, the shoe trees usually match the same color as the insoles. Here's the insole. It's very soft. It's black. Looks like there's some numbers on the tongue. Hard to see on camera, but I think it just says the size. So 6 in Italian, which is 7 in American. So that's my size. Here they are together. Anyway, you guys, that was my unboxing of the Berluti loafers I recently got. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you on the next one.